Hi everyone, welcome to another quick how-to video. I'm working today in my, oh you can't see, in my book of colour charts, and last night I was just swatching out my Arteza Expert, and what I like to do when I swatch a page is to reward myself by colouring the picture on the page. I've only swatched so far. I was about to colour this star, and I thought I would show you how to do it in gold. Now I've shown you gold tutorials before, but I just thought I would quickly go through how to do it with any sort of set of pencils. So what I do is I choose 4 colours. Let's pop them into view for you. So I choose a really dark brown. This is the Arteza Expert dark chocolate brown. I choose a mid brown, and this is the burnt ochre. I choose a sort of brownish yellow. This is a yellow ochre, a Naples yellow, something like that, and then a sort of lemony yellow. Okay, and I use them to make gold. These aren't very sharp. I shall sharpen as I go and just show you on this star a sort of method for gold. So I start with the darkest brown. As I say, this is the dark chocolate brown. You can use any dark brown from your set and do the darkest area. Now for my star, it's going to be around the edge like that. So I'm putting a really dark layer almost on top of that black line that's there, all the way around like that. Now I want to bring that in just slightly so it blends with my next colour. So I'm just putting a hint of it just inside. Now if you want to make a shadowy look on your gold, depending on what you're colouring, you might not need to do that. It just depends on your picture, but we're just concentrating on the star. So my next brown is my sort of mid brown. Now this is quite an orangey brown in this particular set, but I would maybe not go for such an orangey one, and I'm going right over the top of the brown and just bringing it in a bit, the colour. So it's really straightforward, and in the same way as the other, I want to just fade it a bit as we go, a little bit all the way around, and that's that. And then we move on to our yellow ochre. Sorry, I should have sharpened before I started. I'm just going to brush away those pencil crumbs, and again, right over everything is how I do this bit. At the moment, I'm unconvinced it's going to look like gold, and I always feel like this at this stage. And I always just hope it's going to work. Oh no, it's not going to work. So all the way over, fade it in. Now the key to making something look shiny and metallic is to leave a bit of white paper. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to go in with our lemon yellow over the top of everything like before. Oh, hold on. Didn't like me, did it? There we go. So I haven't done it to such a sharp point. Over the top of everything. Maybe not pressing quite so hard, and then I won't break the lead, and leaving a bit of white in the middle. And then it gives us a bit of shine. Now it looks quite dark around the, I'm just getting my eraser to rub out there. It looks quite dark around the edge, I think. So what I'm going to do, sometimes what you could do, actually I haven't got a pen with me, so you could go around the edge in a glitter pen and it looks quite cool. But what I'm going to do is grab my burnt ochre and just blend in a little bit over that black, really dark brown, I mean, just to lighten it slightly, and then over the top with the yellow ochre. And we've got a really warm colour, goldy colour, which I like. It's more of an antique gold, I would say, rather than you know, sort of modern gold, but I like that idea. And back with the lemon yellow again, just to go right over everything, bring it all together, add warmth. And I am pressing quite hard, too hard I expect, but because this is a little quickie. There we go. So there is our gold star. So there are lots of methods of doing gold. It's just one of them. You might want a slightly lower contrast between your dark and light, but I always find it makes it look more shiny if you start really dark and finish with white, and then you get that impression of shine. So there we go. So that is just a simple video. I have lots of other metallic videos using different brands of pencils, showing you different colour combos. I will link to the playlist in the description, so you can go and have a look if you want something a little bit longer, a bit more detailed, or a different type of pencil. You can find it there. But for now, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a really great day and happy colouring.